Hey guys, we received this CRUA 24 inches 144 Hz by 180 Hz curved gaming monitor for test and try. It's a FHD 1080p frameless computer monitor which supports the AMD FreeSync with a low motion blur, eye care, DisplayPort, HDMI, and compatible wall mountable install spec. So just take it out. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the stand, the cables, manual. This is all stand and so this comes with the HDMI cable and a display cable. So this is the main monitor. So let me just take this out. So you need to be careful, and this comes with this protective sheet on it. So we had to just take it out later on, and this have a freezing technology that I will show you later on while installing it. So this is the case. So it's a metal stand and it's pretty easy and straightforward to use. The screw is all inside, so we are just tight it down. So there is a movement with this, like up and down with this, and this is thing which goes on the back of the monitor to hold it. So this is the power adapter for the monitor. And this is a display port. So even you want to use that as a display port thing or as a HDMI, that's up to you. So both cables are provided that you can use. So as it is a support up to 180 Hz, so its respond and refresh rate is very fast, and also like there is no smear or stuff. And here is the back that you can see that have a aux adapter, power cable, and two display cables here. So let me put this stand. So it's pretty straightforward. So just put it and click and it's all set. Now I will just put in the power adapter and stuff and install on my computer table. So the dimension is approx like 21.25 inches and 12.6 inches in height, with the stand is 3.54 inches and 13.19 inch. So these are the menu buttons. And let's just put it on the table. So I just put it on the table, taking out this covering sheet. So my PC is just updating meanwhile. So let me just take it out. So you can see a curved monitor here. So with the games, you can see a refresh rate is very bright and is very fast. So this one is like I say the 3D game. So it's pretty fast in moving and doing things. With the menu, as I said, with the free sync, that will process and unblur some of those things. So this one is a nice and looks nice on the top and can be used for any gaming and any other purpose. With the curved is a little better view, and with the sync is tough. So here is the menu which shows like you can turn on the free sync and all the brightness and other things. The menu is on the back, so you have to just be acquainted. And this is how like you will choose the movie standard and stuff. Then other option with the HDR and the free sync will be on. So you can choose and set this up. So I'm just turning on the free sync, and yeah, this monitor looks good. It's bright, really nice with a nice refresh rates and with a nice brightness thing. It will take some time to get acquainted with this menu buttons and things, but it's pretty much a nice monitor as a things, and with the stand you can see it holds well on the table and looks good. So a nice monitor.